Hi, I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I am so glad that you are here today. Before I get started, I just want to remind you to subscribe, hit that bell, and give this video a thumbs up. So today I am bringing you another review for Pinky Promise. I'm excited to show you this style. This is Mod Sleek and the color on this one is called Grape Burst. So very different for me, very, very pretty. This is part of their new 2021 Muse collection of heat-friendly styles. So we will get into the review in just a moment. Okay, let's jump in and talk about Mod Sleek. So as I said, this is a heat-friendly wig. Very pretty, just, you know, lob style. She does have a bang. I have the bangs swept off to the side because they're just a little bit long and in my eyes. And I don't like to do a whole lot to these wigs. As I always tell you all, you know, I like to show you what they look like pretty much out of the box. So all I did was just kind of push the bangs over into like a curtain bang, you know, but you could definitely wear them, you know, you might have to trim them. She has a middle part, so you might have to trim them a little bit if you want to have full forehead coverage. But for the purpose of the video, I am just pushing them over to the side just a bit, just like I said, like a little curtain bang. So they can be worn like that as well. So let me do a turn for you all and I will show you Mod Sleek on all sides and then we'll get into all of her specifications. So here she is from the front. I love the way these front layers, you know, they've got a little texture on the end so they just sort of gently flip up. It's very pretty, very natural looking. So here is my right, the back, my left, and then back to the front. Okay, so measurement wise, this fringe here is 4.5 inches. So, you know, I would probably have to take a half an inch or so off of these and then maybe, you know, go in with my hot air brush or something and give them just a slight curl under just to keep them from being in my eyes. So my forehead is 4 inches, if that is helpful for you all, just to let you know, my forehead compared to these bangs. The other measurements are from the crown, 14.5 inches, and that's her, you know, all the way around here. And then her nape back here is 6.5 inches. Weight-wise, she is 4.47 ounces, so she's nice and lightweight. Really, really cute. And this color, we'll talk about the color in a minute, but I know this is really different for me, but these Muse collection wigs, these heat-friendly fibers, come in some fashion colors. So at Pinky Promise, we want to be able to show all these colors to you all in these reviews. So that is why I am wearing Grape Burst today. Very different for me, but really cute. So I'm happy to be able to give it a try. So here is the lace front. The lace front is small. It goes from about here to here. So, you know, doesn't go down onto the ear tabs or anything, but you do have coverage across here. And with that coverage, you can get a little bit of side parting if that is what you want to do. So just to show that to y'all, I'll show you the part. Like I said, the bangs need some training. Okay, here's the part. The part goes back to here. So all the way back to here would be the crown, so it's pretty close. And then ear tabs. Ear tabs look nice. I have good coverage. This is an average size cap, and I would say on my petite head, it's fitting pretty true to average. I think there is room in here. There's definitely some room in the back of the cap and there's stretch in the cap. So if you had hair, you know, these fashion color wigs are great. I'll show you the other ear tab. For if maybe you're going to an event or something, or you just want to play around with some colors, but you don't want to dye your natural hair. That's another use for these, you know, fashion color wigs. So, but cap wise, there's definitely some extra cap in here. Now I could just take the adjusters in and she would fit me just fine, but I feel like she fits just slightly bigger than the Chic Waves one that I reviewed for you all. So just to let you know, she's not impinging on my ears or anything like that, but there's definitely room. And when I take her off, we'll look at the stretch in the cap. So really, really cute. All right, let's go ahead and look at the inside of her cap. Interior cap construction for Mod Sleek. So there you can see that dedicated middle part. But then you see that you do have some area. This is your lace front. You do have some area because it, you know, it kind of has a bell shape there. So you do have some area in here where if you want to pull that front part over and pull all the bangs over to the side and make a side part, you could. It would just be a middle, you know, drifting to the side type thing. But you definitely have some room in there to play with that part if middle part is not your thing. So then she's got this soft velvet ear tabs, very comfortable, good piece of metal in there. She's all machine sewn, so closed wefting all through the cap. She does have an extended felt nape, very soft, and then she has Velcro adjusters. I know those are hard to see on a black cap. And the adjuster straps go through the cap here, so they're hidden, which is kind of nice. I like that on a cap. And here is that mono part again. All right, let's talk about this shade Grape Burst. So Grape Burst, the description of Grape Burst, is a brilliant, deep, smoky purple. And I think that's very accurate. The color looks purple, but it definitely has a smoky effect, almost like it has a black rooting. But as you can see, it's not rooted or anything. But, you know, very, very pretty how it has that smoky effect to this bright, very brilliant purple shade. It's really pretty. I feel so daring, y'all. Very pretty. Okay, let's take this shade outdoors and we'll look at it in the natural light. So I'm under my patio cover. You can see this Grape Burst, that purple is popping outside. Show you the lace front, mono part. You see how the fibers move. Here it is in the sunshine. Okay, that purple was popping out there in the sun, wasn't it? Definitely had the burst for the Grape Burst, I would say. Okay, let's talk about styling for Mod Sleek. So she is ear tuckable, which is really nice. And so, you know, with her ear tuckability. She is, by the way, completely low density, no permatease at all. Glasses are not a problem. You can put your glasses up on your head. Very, very easy. You saw me outside with my sunglasses. Super simple. While I have her tucked, I always like to go ahead and do the headband. That black and white looks so cool in this Grape Burst color. Great contrast, really pretty. That headband really pops. Looks really cute. Very pretty. So she is cute in a half up, half down style. You could just put, you know, a little claw clip. I'm just gonna hold it just for time's sake. You can also put her in a ponytail. Now her nape hairs back here, I'll show you. You can do one of two things. So you can put her in a pony, smash down your extended nape, and there's just some teeny little baby hairs back there. Or if you want to, you could go in and drop down some of these hairs from the nape. And you could even go in and thin those out just slightly if you wanted it to, you know, just look more natural. But I think I would just like pull down a few. You know, when you put your hair up in, bio hair up in a pony, you sometimes have those little stragglers that are hanging down, you know. Gives you a little more neck coverage. Just always when you put it in a pony, make sure you push down your extended nape. But she makes a really cute ponytail too. And with the bangs, it looks really cute. Okay, so she is just very, very cute. Really pretty, and like I said, she comes in these fashion colors. She also comes in a brunette and a blonde. So if you're not into fashion colors, don't fear. She does come in other colors. Okay, I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending me this to review for you all. There will be information below for purchase. And until next time, don't forget, you are absolutely beautiful. Bye.